Any nose that is deviated or twisted is called a crooked nose. A crooked nose can not only attract unwanted attention, but it can also cause consciousness of appearance. So much so that the patient can actually lose confidence and self-dignity. Hello, my name is Dr. Sunil Choudhary. I am Principal Director and Chief of Plastic Surgery at Max Healthcare, New Delhi. Crooked nose is essentially caused by deformational forces in the nose, whether they are external or internal. The external forces could be due to the bones of the nasal bones. Internal could be the cartilage inside, which is the septum, which is the partition between the two nostrils. There can be varied causes of crooked nose deformity. It can be by birth, like cleft lip and palate, or it could be a developmental anomaly, which may be there in a child because of their genetics, hereditary, or just as a developmental anomaly. But many cases are due to injury, trauma, and some of the cases could be due to cancer or infection as well. One has to really use all the things in the armamentarium to basically correct a crooked nose deformity to satisfaction. Once a critical analysis is done, for the purpose of making a surgical plan, one actually does a problem-solving approach. Majority of the correction depends on how good a structural support you give to the nose. So if you're able to correct the nose structure, the bones and the cartilage with the help of various grafts and various other supports that you want to give inside, you will be able to achieve a permanent, long-lasting result for a crooked nose. A lot of these patients may have breathing issues, and hence a crooked nose deformity, when corrected, should lead to a better breathing as well. So patients usually would not only come just for an external appearance, but they would also come for correction of the breathing problems of the deviated septum as well. At the end of the day, nose is the center of our face, and a good nose would increase your face value. So a crooked nose should always be corrected, because nobody in the society wants to roam around with a nose which attracts unwanted attention.